If you are struggling to get more views on YouTube, then watch this video till end. Getting more views on YouTube requires a combination of strategic content creation, optimization, and promotion. Here are tried and tested strategies to increase your views. 1. Create high-quality, engaging content. Focus on storytelling and keep your content engaging from start to finish. Make sure your videos provide value, whether it's entertainment, education, or inspiration. Use a strong hook in the first 10 seconds to retain viewers. 2. Optimize for search. YouTube SEO. Use keyword-rich titles. For example, instead of best workout, use 10-minute fat-burning workout for beginners. Write detailed descriptions with relevant keywords. Use tags strategically at variations of keywords and related phrases. Create compelling thumbnails that stand out. 3. Improve watch time and engagement. Keep your audience watching with engaging edits and good pacing. Use pattern interrupts, zoom-ins, animations, music changes to maintain interest. End with a call to action. Ask viewers to like, comment, and subscribe. 4. Post consistently and stick to a niche. Create a content schedule. For example, post weekly. Stay within a niche to build a loyal audience. For example, tech reviews, fitness, or vlogging. 5. Leverage social media and communities. Share videos in relevant Facebook groups, Reddit forums, and Discord servers. Post clips on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Twitter or X with links to your full video. Engage with comments on your posts to boost visibility. 6. Use playlists and end screens. Organize videos into playlists to increase binge watching. Add end screens to direct viewers to another video. 7. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Do collabs with YouTubers in your niche to cross-promote audiences, feature guest appearances, or do video shoutouts. 8. Analyze and adapt with YouTube Analytics. Monitor click-through rates (CTR) for thumbnails and improve low-performing ones. Check audience retention graphs to see where people drop off. Test different video styles based on analytics. 9. Promote through YouTube Shorts. Upload short, engaging clips from longer videos to drive traffic. Use trending sounds and hashtags for more reach. 10. Run YouTube ads optional. Use YouTube ads to boost your best-performing videos and attract new viewers. Final tip: be patient and keep improving. YouTube growth takes time, but consistent effort, optimization, and engagement will lead to more views. If you like the video, hit the like button. Please subscribe to our channel and watch other useful content from our channel.